Okay, just another little quick vid. I'm just working my way through replacing sort of ignition stuff. Like I said, I did the leads a while back. I have got a new coil coming. Don't think there's much wrong with that one, but I've got a new one coming. One thing I didn't manage to do when I was cleaning up all the connections was, see the two ballast resistors there. I couldn't get the bolt holding them on off, and I couldn't get one of the wires off. You can see that bottom screw on the left is a bit rusty. I thought, well, if I'm doing the new coil, I'm going to keep that as a spare because it does work. I thought if I'm doing a new coil, new leads and stuff, I may as well do a new coil. And I thought those ballast resistors, they look pretty khaki, and one of them is pretty rusty, and apparently they do go. So I thought, well, I'll take them off, get some new ones, and I'll keep them as spares because I know they work. Basically, looking at it like this way, the top one is 0.4 ohms resistance and the bottom one is 0.6, so you can see I've labelled them up. I have actually butchered the wiring a little bit because I've made it so they can be disconnected without undoing the screws, just to make it easier, because they were getting a bit seized up, which I'll probably revert back to just connecting them as normal. The screw that holds them on, that's sort of, I don't know if you can see it, sort of in the middle, I don't know if you can see it, it's in between the two of them, goes into sort of a capture nut on the inner wing, and it was an Allen key, and somebody had rounded it off, and boy was it seized up. In the end, I ended up sort of ripping the Allen key bit, the sort of capture nut out the inner wing, just chiseling around it. I cut the back off it, I could not get it to come off. So what it's got now is a sort of M6 bolt through it with a washer either side and a wing nut on the other side. So I can just undo that, take them both off together, change them and put them back in. And the wiring on it now is long enough so I can lift them up to here and change them. I'll just show you the new parts I got. I got these off the internet. So that's the 0.4 one. That's the part number. That's the 0.6 ohms one. And that's the part number. That's the brand. So yeah, I'm going to put them on when the coil arrives, but I just thought, in case people are struggling to get hold of the right ones, that's the right ones. If you're enjoying the vid, subscribe, give me some likes. I'll do a vid when I fit the coil. Later.